Okay, hello everyone. It's me, Repenta Squad again, and sorry that I haven't been posting lately. It's that like YouTube and like school and a bunch of things. So I'm back, and today we're gonna be playing Bedwars. It's a new game. It's not really new for me, but it might be new for some of you guys. So we're gonna go into a solo match right now. Okay. So okay, let's see. Yeah, this is a pretty good map. This is a 16 iron map. What that means, like, you need 16 iron and then get blocks, and then you can bridge over to your enemies. Okay, I guess it looks like I'm versing yellow. $14, $15, $16. Now, the best way for this map is to build up, hurry down, do that, and start going over to the base. Jump. I always go for the bed first, so it's easier. All these blocks. I'm gonna try and knock him off. Yes, I got. Okay, I knocked him off. I'm gonna go for him now because he lost his sword. It looks like he's taking his bed. Oh, what? That was weird. Don't know what happened there. Okay, I got leather gear now. That's better than just no gear because it reduces damage. See, you take less damage. Oh my god, I have 0 HP. Yay, I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna go for it now. Dang it, I fell off the map. Oh, I guess someone else is going for him. Or something. Oh, he has the jade hammer, like me. Oh, the jade hammer, you get it from like this kit. Whoa. The heck? What the? Eh? What the? What did he do? Oh, he took my iron. Come on, man. He's gonna stay up here? Oh, you can't go there. No, he's running. He's running. He's running. Won't stop. Dang it. What the? No. Oh, fine. Get my bed. Well, I'm dead. Okay, guys. Well, wait. It might not be in. Yo. What is this building, man? Well, I'm dead now. Go. Go. Run. Don't care. Run. Yo, I'm doing it. I'm running. Okay, I'm running. Going. Open screw now. Go, go, go. Yo. Oh, I fell off with him. Oh, he had 100. Whoa. Whoop. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go into another match. And also, a kit is this, like these things. There. Each week there's 3 new kits. The ones are Pirate Davy, Infernal Shield, and Barbarian. These are the kits, other kits. And for the best one, I think it's like Bounty Hunter or Warrior Kit or Trinity Kit. They're all OP in their own ways. Like so, Bounty Hunter is like so you get each time you go into a game. Then you get a target. If you kill that target, you get a reward like emeralds, diamonds, iron, and yeah. So, and Trinity Kit is the newest kit in the game. So, and if you get 3 kills, you get to choose between a void Trinity Kit or angel, but that's only in the game. For an angel, you get to heal every time you take down you hit someone and inflict damage. You heal someone. For the dark angel, it's like Grim Reaper. Grim Reaper is like a life stealing ability. You kill someone and steal their soul, and you gain health. But Trinity Kit, every time you hit someone, you get you inflict flip. I hate these people though. But oh my god, well, these are the people that I hate. I hate snipers. They're too annoying. I hate these people because they randomly hit. They go for the person right beside them, even though they literally have someone right on their side. Oh my god, these people are so annoying. But well, that's how life goes. And so Trinity Kit, if you inflict damage as a void, you take that, you get health healed. And for Warrior, Warrior has its own armor that's 12 emeralds. It's very good, and also it reduces armor price. The one I'm using right now, it's called J Kit, and it has a hammer that if you like speed and then hit it, you can go flying, and if you jump and then hit and use it, you go double jump. Okay, so we're in another match. I hope we don't run into those people again. This is a 16 iron map, so you're gonna get 16 iron. Like all the times, get blocks, speed bridge to the base. Oh wait, oh, I don't have a team. I don't have a person. Oh, he just spawned. Oh, he just double teamed. He just did that. It's gone. Man, I hate one people. Man, that's the number one reason, because I always get hit off. What is he doing? You just need to hit him off. See, where's that? Oh, someone's trying to go to the middle. I don't know what happened. I think he's using like an autoclick or something. Auto, yeah, so, okay, no. I'm gonna get armor first, so I get more protection and then take less damage. And if you destroy someone's bed and kill them, they can't respawn. You also can get better swords, you can get balloons. For me, balloons are the most useful thing in this whole game. Because if you get shot of going to the void and you have no bed, you can use them and so you can float back onto the top. Or you can use them to escape. Or you need 2 emeralds, so they're pretty cheap. You get 3 balloons. You need 3 balloons to go start flying up. If you don't, then you can't. You just float down. But if you're trying to jump off and not take any damage, use 1 balloon or 2. Yeah, use 1 balloon or 2 balloons because they'll descend you slowly. And see, this is the G kit that I just used. So you start sprinting, jump, and press, and then boom. But you need level 32 in the battle pass to get this. And it takes a long time. It took me like a couple months to get this. And now I'm gonna go for the middle. Where all the emeralds are. See that price? And also the skins. We'll go for the spray. Oh, see that's that arrow? Oh, yeah, it's 6 emeralds. Nice. Whoa. See? Those arrows are actually from snipers that I don't like at all. If I'm the bomb. See? Emeralds can get you lots of things. Now, get a bunch of blocks. See? Now I'm fully diamond and I do lots of damage. J-Kit is mostly like to launch people in airs, escaping. Yeah, so yeah, you can do lots of things. See, in this shop, you need diamonds. Armor protection gives you 20 plus armor. Yeah, it keeps going by 20s. Same with sword shot. No, some with short made bed, but it's okay. Should it? Oh, pink doesn't have a bed. So, I don't know. I'm gonna go for more emeralds. Gotta get more balloons. Yo. See, and most of the time they just camp up there. Oh, here's a tell you girl. What the heck? What the? Oh, you got it off. Go for him. See, you just launch them in the air and then you can hit them down. Oh shit, okay. Nope. You ain't escaping this time. Yo. Yeah. And also, there's a lot of glitches in this game that I don't like the glitches. Okay, I just called agreed. I'm gonna go for his bed sensor. Wait, that is his bed. Oops. Wait, I think I can get it. I have to go, bye, I have to go. Bye. Okay. And yeah. GG, that's how you see. Yeah. And yeah. Well, bye guys. It was a fun time playing with you guys.